Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse here, and I realized during editing of this video that I never did an intro. So I'm doing a quick little voiceover one here. This particular day I was out fishing with my brother Keith in the kayaks. We had a great day overall. So without hesitation, let's just jump right into some action here. Hope you enjoy it. Beautiful. Yep. Yep, I think they're still here. Man, I was getting ready to comment on the sunrise. And before I could even get the comment out of my mouth, done caught me a fish. Yeah, dude, they're all up there on that shore. I'm just trying to back away so we don't spook them all right from the get-go. Heck yeah, what a way to start the morning, y'all, in the kayak. That was my first cast. That was my first freaking cast. He is definitely over slot. Damn, he barely fit in the net. Got water in my eye. Oh, welcome back to the yak. Been fishing out of my boat a lot lately. Haven't been out in the kayak that much. Wanted to get on that stealthy approach today. Fishing some flats. Jesus, that's a beast of a fish. Look at that, y'all. It's longer than my board, I think. Yep, my board's 30. He's a 32 incher. All right, man. Thank you. First cast, y'all. 32 incher. Woohoo! Wow, that was awesome, y'all. Pretty much just throwing a TRD 3/16 ounce with a TRD Z-Man, a finesse jig, fishing these flats. About 2 foot of water right now. Just easing along. The drum bite's been actually really good the past couple weeks. This kind of fishing I love. It's quiet. Stealthy. There we go. Do something. Number 2. Awesome, thank you. Number 2 this morning, y'all. Another pretty one. All right, man. Thank you, brother. Yep, there we go. That's what I wanted. Get him away from that shore. Oh, good Lord. Come on back, buddy. That's another big one. Come on, boy. Right in the net. Good God, I can't pick him up. God, these are some freaking massive drum up in here. This is insane, y'all. Good Lord, look at the size of this drum. That is crazy. What is that hook? Oh, that's hooked on the hook. The TRD's killing it, y'all. Let's see what he is. Oh shoot. Well, my board is 30. Tail pinched, he'd easily be 33. 33-inch drum, y'all. There you go, guys. Beautiful morning fish. A foot of water. I love these things. Catch and release today. And he's gone. Woohoo! Yeah. There we go. Get on away from there. God, it's hard to believe that these big fish are up in the shallow water like this. Trying to be as quiet as I can be. Smaller one. Still nice. Alright, little man. Thank you. Keep growing. Ooh. You in the water. Oh yeah, they're really starting to move now. Oh, there we go. Yep. Heck yeah. Smaller one. I'll still take it down. He's trying to get me all wet. Yeah, it's a little bigger than I thought. And he does not want to go in the net. Come on. Yo. Oh man, guys, I swear it doesn't get no better than this. Trying to keep the noise down. y'all. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Thank you. You're a very lively fighter. Very lively. Well, y'all, been out here all day. Me and my buddy Keith, we went and did a lot of trout fishing, caught some nice trout. Unfortunately, I'm not going to show any of that because I don't want to be blowing any spots up. Wanted to come back to my drum hole here, finish the afternoon out, and first cast, landed another nice one. Good way to end the day. The drum bite has just been incredible. I'm trying to keep this dude out of the kayak so he doesn't make so much noise and spook all of them. There you go, y'all. Another nice upper slot. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off on this note. It's probably about, well, actually 5:45 right now, so I gotta get ready to go. I had a good day out on the water with my bro Keith. We caught a lot of fish today. It was an awesome day. Had a blast. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.